it's going to try and roll back on me. So I can't really get another bite on it. Kind of awkward. So assembling the log dog assist is pretty straightforward, especially if you've already built the mill. So now this should be able to engage the teeth on the side and keep your log from rolling. I'm kind of skeptical that something this simple could work as well as they say it does, but we'll find out. Raise it up a little and turn it. Get it against the stops there. It seems to key into those teeth pretty well. And that looks promising. It seems to bite in pretty effectively to keep it from rolling back. Lets me get a new bite on it. And it's doing all right. That's going to save a lot of work. When it feels good and secure, then you're ready to cut. One real advantage that I can see right now that's really going to be nice is I can work on this backside with the can hook so I can square it up with my log stops, and I know exactly where I am, and this is holding it to keep it from rolling back. So you get it squared up, you're right there, you're holding it in place, and one person can easily do the job now. It used to take a little bit of going back and forth and tweaking, and this is just dead spot on. I'm impressed, both with the simplicity of it and with the way it works.